Good morning, guys. Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming here and clicking my videos and choosing to watch this channel. For those new subscribers, my name is Sumoto Lifestyle. I live here in the US for the longest. That I'm here to share my life style, anything about the US, anything you want to know about the US, in case you're somebody out there, from around the world, because people watch me are from around the world. So in case you want to move here with your family, you want to come here solo, you want to just come to tour, or you just want to watch videos from America or the US as we call it. Okay, so that's why this channel is here to kind of give you, because I live here, I know everything about America, and I'm here to share with you. So today, guys, I need your help. Wait a minute. Before help, I want you guys to subscribe if you haven't already, and I want you to turn on that notification note, because whenever I'm sharing the videos, I want you guys to get it, okay? Guys, have you noticed this week is been I've not been uploading the videos for so much because I've not been feeling well, but that's okay. I'm a human, okay? But now I'm back. But now I need your help, guys. My house is messy, especially my kitchen. Guys, I love to cook in the kitchen, but sometimes when I'm looking at the videos that I'm posting on you guys, I'm like, my kitchen needs some makeover. Umata, your kitchen needs some makeover. But I'm like, I know who to ask to help me with ideas. None other than you guys. I know you are the people who are going to help me with this messy kitchen. Guys, as you can tell me, give you a little bit of tour. My kitchen behind here, I need some tiles. Guys, it doesn't look good. I need some popping tiles from behind there. And I'm debating on this. They are brown. I'm debating on changing them to white color. Guys, so I need your opinion for sure. This one here, drawers, they need to be in a different color. Either white, creamish, and these tiles here, they need to be white or some kind of other color which is popping. And I'm inviting you guys to my kitchen. Let me know what we're gonna do with this. Ignore all the mess. I know it's messy, but ignore it. But I want you guys to help me to choose the colors for my tiles, behind the kitchen, because when I'm cooking for you guys, I want you to see how my kitchen is popping. I want you to see that food that is popping. But when the kitchen is like this, I'm like, Umoto, nah. You need to change this. So that's why, guys, I'm here to request you to help me to change this kitchen. Either we're gonna paint these car drawers white. What do you think? We're gonna do white, and the counter, the behind the stove is gonna be, the tiles are gonna be white, or they're gonna be creamish. Guys, comment below there. Let me know. Let me show you so you know. These drawers and the counter, let me know what's gonna be behind here, guys. It's messy. Let me know, because I'm about to do some modifications, but I want your help. I want my family, you my family, you know that. So I want your help so that we can go and change this kitchen, okay? So guys, another thing, like, it's morning, yes, but I need to eat to make smoothie. Yes, I have pears outside. I have so much pears, guys. I'm selling my pears, yes, to my neighbors. They're buying them, okay? And now, but I need to have my smoothie this morning. But the thing is, like, I don't have some other fruits. I'm out of other fruits that I usually mix with my pears. So we need to go to the store, because I need some strawberry, I need some blueberry, I need some whatever, pear, whatever, apples. I need other fruits to mix with my pears so that I can enjoy my smoothie this morning. So today, I'm heading to the store, guys. The thing is, it's like 100 degrees and it's only 10 in the morning. So we are burning here in Texas. The heat is on another level. It's a warning. When I'm watching on TV, it's like, oh, you guys stay indoor. It's too hot to go outside. But I need fruits. I need to go outside. I need to go to the store. We have to eat. Especially myself, I need to have my smoothie. I've not been feeling well this week. That's why I'm saying I need my smoothie now. And you guys, we need to go to this store. I know store is not, and I don't know, guys, what do you think? of my locks. Do I go like this? But it's too hot. Of course, I have my sunscreen, which I'm gonna be sharing you later how to take care of your face during summer. I don't know if I should wear my hat or I should rock like this. And guys, what do you think? Actually, this video is just a random video. I'm just entertaining you guys this morning. I'm just showing you the reality of me this morning. This is my locks, but I'm so glad, guys, my locks are growing for sure, and they're getting thicker. And I'm gonna be showing you different styles that I style my locks. This is one of the style, and this is the style I love so much. I don't know why. I don't know, because it balances my head. I don't know, because when I'm looking like this, I feel like it's my, you know, my face is kind of balancing. Guys, let me know how my locks are doing. Let me know how I'm doing. But hey, we need to go to the store actually and grab some fruits so that we can go, actually we can come and make more pairs, because I'm so hungry. I'm not taking anything, not even water, so because I need to have that smoothie. So before we go outside, I don't know if I should take you around outside and show you a little bit of the pears. Let me take you outside a little bit, and then we rush the store with you guys so that we can choose some pears. Are you even ready? Let's go outside. Guys, these are the pears. Look at them. They are doing so well, guys. I'm not going closer because I feel like it's too hot for me. This is one tree of the, anyway, let me go. This is one tree. As you can tell, inside there's so many pears because people are just getting these pears from down here, but nobody wants to go in there because there's so much pears, and they're so growing and they're doing so well. Guys, look at that. And they're burning because there's so much heat, and that's why you can see some of them are burning. And when you look at my neighbor's pears, guys, these are my neighbor's little pears. Which kind of pears are these? Let me know, guys. Let me know. These are my neighbors. So guys, let's go to the store actually and get some more fruit so we can mix with our pears. Let's have strawberries. Yes, we need blueberry. We are going to make a smoothie with a blueberry. Guys, these things are really expensive, but this is how we buy them. These are cherries. I love to eat cherries. So I need to eat some cherries. I don't know if I should mix with other fruits. Pineapple. I think I need to get apples.
Visit our website, jobs.giftmark.com, or text GIFTA to 85000.
Well guys, let's choose a mushroom. I usually love this mushroom, but I'm gonna get a small one. Maybe this one, or maybe let me get the one which is cut. Actually, I'm gonna get this one right here, so that we can actually go enjoy. Yeah, let me get this one. It's called baby bella mushroom. Let me get this one. I'm getting a small one, guys, because not everybody in my house eats mushroom. That's why. So we got our mushroom. I'm missing something, guys. I am missing something. Look what they have. Lots of food here. I don't know if I should buy this. Oh my. It's a bakery. Yeah, see?